This is the XTERRA treadmill. I've had this for years and it still works perfectly well. I just have it here in my home gym. This is what it looks like. It has a safety control for children so that you can unplug it and plug it in. It has this nice display here with different speeds, fast, slow options. You can plug in your music and you have a spot for a towel, or I'll put like a water bottle here. You can also, if you're someone that likes to run, you can also adjust the speed here. And this can go on an incline, as you can see here. Incline, speed, and then you can also turn it on and off and then put in, it'll tell you how far you ran, kilometers, miles, how many calories you burned. So this is a great brand. Like I said, I've had it for many, many years and it's still working well. I just have it plugged in there. And then you can also turn it on and off right there with the switch. But it's very sleek, works really well, and definitely recommend it for a home gym.